invitation to the Abbey, Miss Woodhouse.
I should be very glad to open Donwell for your exploration, Mrs. Elton. The welcome is long overdue. There is but one married woman in all the world whom I can ever allow to invite what guests she pleases to Donwell, Mrs. Knightley.
Do you remember when we were two beautiful birds? We would light up the sky when we'd fly. You were orange and red like the sun when it sets. I was green as an apple's eye. You said you loved all the songs that I'd sing, like nothing that you'd ever heard. And I said I loved you with all of my heart when we were two beautiful birds. You remember when we were
Better to be without sense altogether than to misapply it as you do. How could you?
sing away the more
To miss me.
It's not so very
You were
bad.
silver
so
and
innocent.
blue.
Dare say she did not understand.
I assure you she did. She felt your full meaning. She has talked of it. But it was badly done indeed.
One day was for a different song, one that I just couldn't
There's an
sing.
excellent prospect from the south window, Miss Smith.
I got the melody sharp, words all wrong. Those were the last days of spring. To build a nest we pecked feathers from our chests, like a book tearing out every page. We weren't to know that these feathers would grow into a beautiful cage.
If I loved you less, then I might be able to talk about it more.